Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cook griot the Haitian way. And let's see, this here is a pork shoulder. You always want to take the pork shoulder because it's the best part to make griot. And also you want the skin like this, because when you fry this is so good. So what you need to do first, you put some salt, sour orange, and some vinegar here. Okay, and you just let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then you're gonna pour some hot water on top of that. And after that, you drain the water and you add the spices. And on the next step, I'm gonna show you the spices that you will need to marinate the pork. Thank you for watching.